and we tried to do a little bit of a garden that year. We didn't, I'd always just consider my dad's garden kind of like my garden. Like, yeah, if I need a garden, I got a garden kind of idea.
Sure.
And that changed. He wasn't there. He wasn't there to do that garden anymore. And so we started trying to grow some food that year. We had a really aborted attempt to grow some tomatoes. I don't know what we did wrong exactly. We put a bunch of cow manure down, and I think it was a combination of a heat effect from the brick courtyard wall and the salts coming out of the mortar and stuff. It's
Mm.
kind of, I think it needed some better amendments, and a little more protection. But
Hmm.
anyway,
I wouldn't
I
have
don't,
thought about that.
I don't know. It's just an idea. I have no idea. I might be completely wrong. But yeah. Then and the next by the next year, I mean, I grew some carrots that were a foot long and an inch and a half around, and we're growing just everything. And I was like, I was thinking I was collecting rainwater, I was doing compost, all in this tiny little courtyard home, and we had the 6 chickens, and that was too much, really. I
Really?
should have expected that was going to create a problem with the
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, okay.
yeah. I could have stayed low key with the plants, but when I added the chickens, yeah, that didn't go over too well. They actually tried to make an example of me. They sent me a letter on Friday afternoon that said that if I didn't have everything cleared out by Tuesday, they were going to fine me $500 a day. And I literally called a buddy of mine. I'm like, "Hey, can you come over with the trailer?" He's like, "Yeah." I said, "I'm gonna give you my hens," and we just loaded everything on his trailer because it was all we were moving them around in the backyard, like doing a little chicken tractor, and you couldn't smell anything. It was great.
Yeah.
They're well managed within that space. They're well managed, but someone saw them or heard them. I don't know what happened. They told
Hmm.
on us.